This is my granny's washing machine Electrolux. Granny prefers vertical loading and we used to it too. The machine made in Poland. Its length and width are 60 and 30 centimeters. The height varies. The maximum height with the lid open is 130. When it's closed, it's about 85 centimeters. The minimal distance of a wall is about 4 centimeters. The control panel is slightly raised above the surface. Tray power is very easy to remove and the opening is really soft too. Look at it and listen. There is no any noise. This is a control panel. These two modes are fast modes and washing takes about 15 or 30 minutes. But in these modes you can't change any settings of washing. But you can change the spinning mode. And these three modes are main modes. And in these modes you can change any settings. For example, temperature, additional washing, fast washing, and